Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths here on the floor of the trade show at Commodity Classic in Orlando, Florida, with a great turnout this week. At last check, registrations were over 9,000 and crowds are projected to meet pre-pandemic attendance levels. Good crowds and good moods ahead of spring planting, decent commodity prices, and hope for improved weather are creating optimism for 2023.
And I go back to some USDA numbers. We're going to have 3 years of extremely good net farm income, which is really impacting the balance sheets. Balance sheets are in great shape for agriculture in general.
Financially, interest rates and the potential impact on operating loans, equipment, and land remains a true unknown.
I do expect, some hawkish intent further from the Fed, from what Chairman Powell said this week. We could see, 25, 50 basis point increase here in March. That's what the market could be expecting here. So I think a lot of it's unknown given the data that's still coming here later this week, early next.
That, as the last couple of years, the biggest question marks were around input availability and supply.
Farmers are thinking about what the rotation is going to be. There's still some uncertainty in certain parts of the country as they look at the weather patterns, they look at fertility prices and other input costs. That's definitely top of mind.
As the world's largest agribusiness company says, supply chains are better, but not perfect.
From a supply perspective, 2023 looks much more favorable than it has in the past. If I think about first and foremost our seed business, last year there were some supply challenges within seed as well, and we've overcome those. We're in a very good spot this year across all three major crops. And then if I turn my attention to crop protection specifically, whether it's products produced here domestically or abroad, we're in a better spot. I would say that we still need 12 to 18 months to probably get back to normal, but it's in a much better spot today than it has been in the past.
They recommend remaining proactive and planning ahead when possible as growers get ready to roll in 2023.